So, welcome to the media room. I can close it all off for light control. In the back of the room is the air hockey and pinball. So, the speakers are all Hales Design Group. The ones in the back are Transcendence 5s. Those were supposed to be main speakers, but I'm using those in the rear. The fronts are Transcendence 8s. That's a Transcendence Cinema under a LG OLED 65 inch. So to that wall is run 80 amps dedicated. All 4 circuits have their grounds tied together, so there cannot be any chance of a ground loop back there. So the main amplifier is a McCormick DNA 500. That gets me almost 1,000 watts of channel into 4 ohms. There's a Adcom, what is that, 5503, I think, underneath. So 200, well, 400 at 4 ohms per channel, 3 channels. Those were Velodyne HGS 18s. I scrapped the amps that came with those. I'm running my own accelerometer circuit feeding back into, what is that, a Crown 1502. I've got a pair of those. They're bridged mono, so probably, 1,500 watts of channel there. And then really the main reason for the curtain back there is to hide all the sound control stuff mounted on the walls. You can see some there and stuff on the ceiling. And, at the reflection points, different places around the room. So obviously it does movies, but really the focus of this room is music. So that's that.